It's very easy to get hungry during camping, but you might find it equally unamusing to cook, especially if there's a number of people to cook for. However, nothing compares to freshly prepared meals while you're camping outdoors. Here, an appropriate camping kitchen setup can make a significant difference as it is modular, portable, durable, and gets the job well done. You can find many camping kitchen options available in the market, so you might find it challenging to choose an appropriate one for yourself. Keeping that in mind, we have come up with a list and made a video about the 5 best camping kitchens for outdoor chef based on the features and functionalities. So let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Featuring a spacious design and a durable frame, the Happy Buy Portable Camping Kitchen is a collapsible and portable camping kitchen table that comes at number 5 on our list. But don't get fooled, it doesn't compromise with its functionalities by any means. This camping kitchen has 3 tabletops on its powder-coated aluminum frame. Its center grill table has an accordion-style removable structure that is made of aluminum. Besides, its side tables are pre-attached to its frame and also foldable. It's also equipped with a removable steel windscreen, which is great if you're about to cook in a windy situation. Organization is where Happy Buy shines, as you will have 3 separate storage compartments guarded by PVC coated 600D polyester and 5 shelves in total. Perfect for camping and picnic or any other outdoor activities, this Happy Buy portable camping kitchen is all you need, like a kitchen table with a substantial space-saving storage and durable construction. Providing adequate space for your food preparation while camping and unique storage areas for other necessary cooking items, the Base Pro Shop's Deluxe Camp Kitchen will make you feel like a real outdoor chef. Setting up this camping kitchen is a piece of cake. It's entirely made of steel and aluminum, which makes it very durable, and its simple table design allows you to transport it easily. It has got 90 pounds of weight capacity, which is lower than the other camping kitchen options on this list, even though it weighs 36 ounces, making it heavier than the other options of this list. Besides, its adjustable feet allow you to easily maintain a leveled cooking surface if you're forced to set up your kitchen on uneven terrain. And, most importantly, it has a wash basin for easy cleaning. In a sense, the Base Pro Shop's Deluxe Camp Kitchen might not have a considerable weight capacity, but it combines adequate table space with a ton of convenient features to make your outdoor cooking experience a breeze. GCI Outdoor has a 20-year history of providing consumers with products and features that enhance their outdoor experience. And with the GCI Outdoor Cooking Station, you can bring your kitchen outside and make your meals easier no matter what's on your menu. It has got a feature called Slim Fold technology that allows you to set it up and break it down in an instant. You can fold its powder-coated steel frame flat for compact portability. This camping kitchen has a slightly narrower design. It has tons of counter space with 4 plastic fold-out side tables, a heat-resistant aluminum aluminum countertop, and a storage rack. It can support up to 300 pounds of weight, but it can be unstable if the weight is unevenly put. Besides, it has a built-in handle for easy carry and hooks for trash bags or utensils. All in all, the GCI Outdoor Cook Station is an incredibly sturdy camping kitchen table that is stout, stacked with tons of shelf space, and could last for years if maintained properly. Offering a stable cooking surface and adequate storage space, the Coleman Pack-Away Kitchen is the lightest option on our list and the most affordable one as well. It offers ample space on its medium density fiberboard to slice meat and chop vegetable, and its accordion type frame comes with aluminum legs and support bars, which are all permanently pre-attached to each other. You can put your items inside its mesh pocket that attaches underneath its tabletop. It also comes with a utensil hanger with hooks, a lantern hanger, and a side stand where you can place a cooler. Note that both the lantern hanger and the utensil hanger are removable, so you can also use it as a dining table. On top of everything, it weighs only 13.9 pounds and yet supports up to 300 pounds of weight. If you need an easy to use, very lightweight, affordable, and versatile camping table, then the Coleman Pack-Away Kitchen will be a highly recommended option for you that has stood the test of time. We now have the Master Cook Station from GCI Outdoor as the #1 camping kitchen on our list. This amazing camping kitchen is sturdy and lightweight, weighing only about 22.7 pounds. Its strength comes from its hassle-free one-piece design and powder-coated stainless steel frame that is sturdy enough to carry up to 300 pounds of weight. You can also set this up and break it down pretty easily and quickly because of its patent-pending slim fold technology. Its features include a heat-resistant extended aluminum countertop, a lower rack for storage, 3 plastic side tables, a telescopic lantern pole, and a soft shell sink with a drain that collapses when the unit is folded up. In a sense, the GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station is very functional, spacious, and packed with loads of convenient features that'll be a perfect addition to your overlanding tailgating or camping adventure. So that was our list for the 5 best camping kitchens for outdoor chef. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.